Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A stalactite cave bedroom design takes inspiration from the natural beauty and drama of underground caverns adorned with stalactites, hanging cave formations. Here's how to capture this unique aesthetic: walls and ceiling, textured paint or plaster. Apply textured paint or plaster to your walls and ceiling to create a rough, uneven surface reminiscent of cave walls. You can even use stencils or sculpting techniques to create more defined stalactite-like protrusions on the ceiling. Earthy tones. Use a color palette that reflects the natural colors found in caves. Think browns, beiges, grays, and accents of ochre or deep red. Lighting, indirect lighting. Since caves have minimal natural light, opt for indirect lighting to create a moody and atmospheric feel. Use recessed lighting, cove lighting, or strategically placed lamps to cast soft shadows and highlight textured surfaces. Starry night effect. Consider incorporating fiber optic lights or strategically placed pin lights on the ceiling to create a subtle, starry night effect, mimicking the way light might filter through cracks in the cave ceiling. Furniture, organic materials. Choose furniture made from natural materials like wood, stone, or even woven elements like bamboo or rattan. These materials add warmth and a connection to nature. Low-profile beds. Opt for platform beds or beds with low headboards to avoid cluttering the space. Simple, clean lines are key. Decor, stalactite accents. Incorporate subtle stalactite-inspired accents throughout the room. This could include hanging sculptures made of metal or plaster, or even strategically placed driftwood branches. Cave paintings. Hang artwork depicting cave paintings or prehistoric animals on the walls. This adds to the cave theme without being too literal. Natural elements. Bring in natural elements like rocks, crystals, or even a small indoor water feature to further connect the space to the natural world. Additional touches, drapery. Use sheer or gauzy fabrics for curtains to create a sense of mystery and diffusion of light, similar to how sunlight might filter through the entrance of a cave. Sound effects. For the truly immersive experience, consider incorporating a white noise machine that plays sounds of dripping water or crickets chirping, reminiscent of a peaceful cave environment. Remember, this is just a starting point. You can personalize your stalactite cave bedroom design to reflect your own taste and desired level of detail. Reasons to design a stalactite cave bedroom. Unique and dramatic. A stalactite cave bedroom offers a unique and dramatic departure from typical bedroom styles. It's a chance to create a truly immersive and personalized space that reflects your love of nature and a touch of the mysterious, relaxing atmosphere. The earthy tones, indirect lighting, and natural materials can create a calming and serene atmosphere, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Customization potential. This style allows for a surprising amount of customization. You can go for a subtle cave-inspired look or a full-on cavern experience. Sensory experience. by incorporating elements like textured walls, starry night effects, and even sound features, you can create a multisensory experience that truly transports you to a peaceful cave environment. How to start designing your stalactite cave bedroom. 1. Define your level of detail. Decide how literal you want to go with the cave theme. Do you want subtle hints or a fully immersive experience? 2. Set a budget. Creating textured walls, installing lighting features, and acquiring natural materials can add up. Determine how much you're willing to spend upfront. 3. Mood board creation. Use online tools like Pinterest or cut out pictures from magazines to create a visual representation of your desired cave bedroom. This will help you define your color palette, textures, and overall aesthetic. 4. Start with the walls and ceiling. This is where you'll set the foundation of your cave theme. Research textured paint techniques, stencils for stalactite shapes, or consider installing plaster features. 5. Lighting is key. Focus on indirect lighting sources like recessed lights, cove lighting, or strategically placed lamps. Explore starry night ceiling effects with fiber optics or strategically placed pin lights. 6. Furniture selection. Choose low-profile beds with clean lines and natural materials like wood, stone, or woven elements. 7. Incorporate cave accents. Hang sculptures reminiscent of stalactites, strategically place driftwood branches, or even utilize natural rock formations. 8. Decor with a cave vibe. Hang artwork depicting cave paintings or prehistoric animals. Introduce natural elements like crystals or a small water feature. 9. Drapery and sound. Opt for sheer fabrics to create diffused light and consider a white noise machine with cave-like sounds for an immersive experience. By following these steps and letting your creativity flow, you can transform your bedroom into a unique and relaxing stalactite cave retreat. Want to create a truly unique and relaxing bedroom experience? Imagine waking up surrounded by the beauty of a stalactite cave. Explore for design inspiration to transform your bedroom into a serene retreat. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.